Hello, myself Subhajyoti Mahato, lecturer in Computer Science and Technology. I am from Raja Ranjit Kishore Government Polytechnic. Today I will explain a part of decision control and looping statements, which is a unit of the subject that is programming in C. In this lecture, I will cover the topics break statement, continue statement, goto statement, nested loop structure. Break statement. Break statement is used to terminate the switch case statement. When a break statement is encountered inside the switch case statement, the execution control moves out of the switch statement directly. For example, consider the program. Here we are declaring two variables int I and int j. So uh, and as well as we are assigning 6 to the I and 4 to the j. Next, again we are declaring a character variable that is op. Now using the scanf function, we are taking the input from the console and store it to the op. Now within the switch case, there are two cases are there, one for plus, another for minus, and another is the default statement for printing the wrong selection. Now if user enter the plus character, so case plus will execute. Here the result equal to I plus j, means 6 plus 4, that is 10, will assign to the variable result, and using the printf function print the string addition equal to 10 to the console. As the next statement is break, so after the execution of the printf function, then the execution control move out from the switch block. Now if user enter the minus character, so the result will be 6 minus 4, that is 2, and the output will be subtraction 2. Next, break statement is also used to terminate looping statements like while, do while, and for. Loop perform a set of repetitive tasks until text expression become false, but it is sometimes desirable to skip some statements inside loop or terminate the loop immediately without checking the text expression. In such cases, break statements are used. When a break statement is encountered inside the loop statement, the execution control moves out of the looping statement. The break statement execution is as shown in the following figure. So first figure shows that when the break statement is encountered, so the execution flow of the execution move out from the while block. If next within the do while loop, if the break statement is encountered, then the flow of the execution move out from the do while block. If the break statements encountered within the for loop, then the execution flow will move out from the for block. Now, continue statement. Continue statement is used to move the program execution control to the beginning of the looping statement. When the continue statement is encountered in a loop statement, the execution control skips the rest of the statements in the looping block and directly jumps to the beginning of the loop. The continue statement can be used with looping statement like while, do while, and for. When we use continue statement with while and do while statement, the execution control directly jumps to the condition. When we use continuous statement with for statement, the execution control directly jump to the modification portion, that is increment or decrement or any modification of the for loop. The continuous statement execution is as shown in the following figure, that is when the continuous statement encountered within the while loop, so flow of the execution move to the condition. Now in case of do while loop, there is also when continuous statement encountered within the do while block, so the flow of the execution or the control of the execution directly jump to the condition of the while. Now in case of for loop, when continuous statement is encountered, the flow of the execution or control of the execution move to the or jump to the modification part of the for loop. Now go to statement. The go to statement is used to jump for one line to another line in the program. Using go to statement, we can jump from top to bottom or bottom to top to jump from one line to another line. The go to statement requires a label. Label is a name given to the instruction or line in the program. When we use a go to statement in the program, the execution control directly jumps to the line with a specified label. For example, so here within the main function, first statement is printf. So first printf function print the string, that is first printf statement. Next, it's encountered a go to statement, that is go to last. Here last is the label. So within the main function, last label is defined before return statement. So when it's encountered go to last statement, the control jump to the sixth statement of the main function, that is printf, which print the string last printf statement to the output console. So finally the output will be first printf statement and last printf statement. Next, nested loop structure. Nested loop means a loop statement inside another loop statement. C support nesting of loop. Nesting of loop is a feature in C that allows the looping of statement inside another loop. That is why nested loops are also called as loop inside loop. Any number of loops can be defined inside another loop. That is, there is no restriction for defining any number of loops. The nesting level can be defined at n times. We can define any type of loop inside another loop. For example, we can define while loop inside a for loop also. For example, here we are defining a for loop within another for loop. So in our for loop, repeat 10 times, where the outer for loop repeats n times. The value of the n is given by the user. These are the resources what I follow. These are some questions for assignment.